Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and in this video I would like to show you the way how to create a rolling end for your movie or for your video. So the first thing you have to do now, you just need to add the black background here. So here I already have the black background with the duration of 6 seconds. You can make it longer or shorter if you want. And after this, we need to type the text that we want to put for the end of the video. For example, I would like to type the end, and after that you just need to go click this checklist button. And now we need to make sure that the length of this text is just the same with the length of this video. So you just need to drag this end part to stop into the end of the clip. Now let's have a test first. Okay, so it has the same length already, and now we just need to drag this text to be like in the lowest part of the screen. So let's drag it by our hand directly, and after that you just need to go click this add keyframe. Just need to go click it, and after that you just need to drag the straight lines into the end of the clip, and after that you just need to drag the text so that they will be like coming into the upper side until it's gone. Okay, so now let's have a check on the result. So you can see the text is start to be rolling. So that's the way how to create the rolling ending for your video. Hopefully this tutorial today is useful for you. So don't forget to leave some comment, like, and subscribe into this channel, and see you for the next video.